Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma variables. Variables are powerful tools that store reusable values, like specific colors, font sizes, or spacing measurements. They are essential for maintaining consistency across your design system and significantly speed up your workflow. By using variables, you can easily create dynamic prototypes and flexible components that adapt to different contexts with just a few clicks, making your design process much more efficient. To begin, open the Local Variables panel, which you'll find in the Design tab on the right sidebar. Next, click the Create Variable button and choose the type of variable you need, such as color, number, or string. After selecting the type, give your new variable a descriptive name and set its initial default value. This simple step lays the groundwork for a more organized and adaptable design system. Once your variables are set up, applying them to your design is straightforward. Simply select the layer or specific property you wish to link, like a fill color or text size. Then, look for the small variable icon, often a 4-dot square, next to the property field in the Design panel. Click this icon, and a list of your defined variables will appear. Select the appropriate variable to instantly apply its value. For more complex projects, Figma variables offer collections and modes. Collections allow you to group related variables, like all your color tokens or spacing values, keeping your system tidy. Within a collection, you can create different modes, such as light theme versus dark theme, or different screen sizes. Switching between these modes will instantly update all linked design elements, providing incredible flexibility and efficiency for managing variations in your designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.